watching Crypto Market News. One of the major cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance, has officially announced that it will delist Bitcoin Cash Satoshi's Vision starting next week. The exchange stated that it would delist and cease trading on all trading pairs for Bitcoin SV on the 22nd of April. Binance explained that it regularly reviewed assets listed on its platform to ensure that an asset continued to meet the high level of standard. The firm stated it delisted a coin after another in-depth review. Withdrawals from Binance will still be supported until the 22nd of July. The exchange also listed a number of factors that drove the decision to delist a digital asset. The level and quality of the coin's development and the evidence on unethical conduct were among these factors. The move came just a few days after Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao had tweeted a warning that the exchange could delist BSV in response to its creators' behavior. Just hours after Binance had announced its decision to delist Bitcoin SV, Shapeshift and Kraken also decided to remove the digital asset. The next exchange we joined was BitSane. BitSane supports freedom in the cryptocurrency world, Facebook post says. The delisting procedure will be conducted in 4 stages: deposits disabling, trading termination, withdrawals disabling, and full delisting on the 1st of May. The users' balances that still contain Bitcoin Cash Satoshi's Vision will be automatically converted into BTC. Following the news of delisting, the price of Bitcoin SV has plunged. Now it's less than $60. It's 20% down from the previous mark of over $70. You've been watching Crypto Market News. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell not to miss the most important news and trends of crypto. I am Mary Grace. Goodbye.